Hi, I'm Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to keep your valuables safe for open top bags. This method would work for any open top bags showing on the screen. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more how-to videos. Thank you and keep on watching. As this is an open top bag, there is no drawstring insert or lining to it. So as I have some layaway dust bags already, I'm just going to use an old dust bag as an insert to create some security for it. The dust bag I'm using, the size of it is 36.5 centimeters long, 31.5 centimeters tall, again with the strings on the pulling strings on the top and the usual anagram at the bottom. So I'm just going to insert this into the bag. Actually, this is quite a good fit because you want some room at the bottom, also you want some space at the top as well. You can see if I keep things in it, once I put my belongings in there, and then I can just pull the strings, tie the strings up, and therefore my valuables would stay in the bag and not just hanging around. Anyone can dip into their hand into it. For anyone walk about, shopping or travel on public transport. So this would be a safe way to deal with this open top bag issue. Once the pouch is tied up and you can use this, just lift it up, everything is in there, and you can pop into another bag, which is you can use it as a bag insert if you have loads of open top handbags or shoulder bags. So this is just a little good tip to share with you.